friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be installing a handmade wig made by yours truly. It is 24 inches 6'13", 13 by 4 front hoop wig. I don't like to make wigs, but in some cases if I gotta make it, I'ma do it. If you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Also, thank you for 1,000 subs. install. I just threw some little flat iron curls in it. It took forever to finish. I don't even know why it took forever to finish, but it did. It's still kind of like goldy yellow. So when I take it out, I'm gonna tone it again. But I love 613 hair. I love 613 lace. This hair is from Zsfhair. It is 24 inches with a 20-inch frontal. I think it was body wave. Anyways, it sheds like 613 hair shed. But just brush it so I don't shed that much. Brush in the morning. Yeah, but it's really nice hair. Holds a curl really well. It's really pretty. It's really soft. It does not tangle. Just, you know, it might shed a little bit, but it don't tangle. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to say thank you for, hold on. Before I exit this video, I want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. We got it to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, 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 thank y'all for 1,000 subscribers. I am so happy. Yo, and this wig turned out so good. I made this wig, but I hate making wigs, so don't ask me. I hate making wigs. I don't like doing hair if it's not my hair. I don't know how I feel about these roots and stuff. I probably could have did better, but it was my first time. Like I said, we're gonna tone shorty a little bit more, but yes, thank you for 1,000 subbies. Thank you. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next.